Hello viewers, how are you everybody? In this video, I'll discuss about Audacity. Audacity is the best free audio editing software. We can use various types of audio and to make lots of effect and can modify and edit in nice ways. You can make professional audio with Audacity. I'll discuss how you'll download this Audacity and how you use it and the basic editing and basic recording system of Audacity. Okay, let's go to the browser and the official website is audacityteam.org. Okay, after searching Google, I have found this software and click here, and this is the Audacity. You just see this. This is the interface of the Audacity, and here is a lots of download option. It's download from Windows, download from Mac, and download for Linux. We just download for its Windows, and this after clicking Windows, a download is starting, and okay, this is only $33.2 megabyte. Just wait a little bit. Already completed. Almost 20 megabyte. Okay, wait for some seconds. The latest version is 3.13. Oh, my Audacity is download is completed. Just simply click on yes. Select the language in next. This folder is Audacity already exists. Anyway, after clicking next, just simply install it, and I have already installed it. Setup. That's why I don't need to install this again. Just simply start the start menu, and just click the Audacity, and just click Audacity. And this is the interface. And this is the main software interface of the Audacity. That you can edit the existing audio. You can create a new record, and if we make a new record, just click here. Just click here this record button. After click here, make sure your microphone is selected and is connected to a PC, and this is a microphone output. Just I'm selecting the microphone dual talk audio, and this is microphone, and two stereo recording channel, one mono recording channel. Okay, I'm just selecting one mono recording channel, and it's the output of the output. I'm just clicking with microphone dual talk audio, and just click here, and I've seen that after talking, you just see the this is the graph is coming when I'm talking. This recording is occurring, but I'm just you just see that this the peak is the graph is showing high peak. Hello, this is my test recording. You will just see the test recording. I have completed almost one. Just press the space bar to stop. Just press the space bar to stop recording. I have recorded 1 minute and 4 seconds. This is my recording. And one thing you are looking this graph is not clean. If I play, so my first recording, album name, tutorial, select, press the space bar. Now but let's see, this is a lots of noise. How do you remove this noise? This is very simple. Just select some noisy portion. This noise is repeating everywhere. So this just select this noise and select the effect and noise reduce action, and you see this type of pop-up windows and get noise profile. You just copy this noise profile, get noise profile, and from which part you remove the portion, just select all, or if you on a choice some portion to make noise, you can just select those portion and for remove. Okay, I mean just remove all noise from this audio track and select Control A for select all track. Control A for select all track. After selecting pressing Control A, you just select the background is white, and that's it is select all and effect, and in this same the noise reduction section, it's noise reduction system, and the noise reduction is at necessary. Just simply click the reduce and just click OK. You just see this graph is almost where I think this noise is reduced for Audacity. You just see that this graph is well fine, and sometime where you will just see that this noise is here again, and just select this position and make it profile patch noise reduction. You get noise profile, and the similar process. That's like, and if I go to this portion and just click OK, and you just see that this graph is a straight line and there has been no noise. If I'm playing from the beginning, just see the there's no noise.
Hello, this is our partner from,
And I'm making it real for
and
Audacity.
I'm making it
You just
real
see
for
that
Audacity. You just see that this will find
there is a
recording
lot of
very good, but
Very
there is a lot of
raining.
noise because there is raining.
There is raining. Okay.
There is raining occur. That's why this rain noise comes.
And
Hello, this is our partner from, and I'm making it real for Audacity.
I'm reduce this space. You just see there's a lot of space with this recording. We need to make it closer to each speech. That's why this normal system is just like this question and press delete to delete, and you just see this is the it's closer. You can close too much. Just like select this question. This system. So, I think this system is so difficult and it needs lots of time to take it. That's why we can use tools to reduce this speed, to reduce the system space. Just
You just see that this graph
just
is
select
will find
A and this effect and select the truncate silence, and we make it is 0.3, duration is 0.3, and it also 0.3. That's not this gap will within 0.3 seconds. Okay, just click OK. Just see that this there have no gap between the voice. And this is the first tutorial of Audacity. In my another video, I'll show the another topic, how we'll amplify, how we'll change the speed, how we'll reduce the speed, and how we will change the bass and treble, and make it echo, and lots of tools about the Audacity, and I'll discuss some tools about the Audacity.